Hi, my name is Emily, and I wanted to briefly discuss the issue of child abuse, how you can recognize it, and how to report it. With me today is District Attorney Investigator Pilar Badalini. She has been a law enforcement officer for over 8 years. In 2018, the state of California had over 486,000 reports of child abuse and neglect. Investigator Badalini, can you please tell us how we as members of the community can recognize potential child abuse?
Of course. So anyone close to a child may notice things such as sudden changes in the child's behavior or demeanor. The child could be overly compliant or overly defiant. When it comes to school, you may notice a change in the child's attendance. The child could be begging or stealing food. When it comes to physical characteristics, you may notice signs of malnourishment, general uncleanliness of the child, bruises, abrasions, or burns where there's no general explanation for that. You may also notice a lack of control of bodily functions such as urination or defecation. And you may also notice sexualized behavior that is not appropriate for the child's developmental stage.
Now, what about the abuser? What are some signs that can help us recognize a potential abuser?
Well, that's a hard question to answer because there's not really a specific characteristic when it comes to the offenders. Oftentimes, in response to child abuse or neglect arrests, you hear people say things such as, "I never thought that person would do something like that," or "they seemed like such great parents." But if you see these signs, they could be red flags. Lack of concern for the child, seeing the child as bad or worthless, or harsh physical punishment when the child misbehaves. The most important thing for everybody to remember is follow your gut. If you see something that doesn't seem right, say something.
I like that. If you see something, say something. So who should we say something to?
So you can report to your local Child Protective Services agency or law enforcement agency, or you can let a mandated reporter know, such as a teacher, counselor, bus driver, or medical personnel.
Thank you, Investigator Badalini. That is all very great information. There is also an app that is available on Apple and Android devices. It is called the Child Protector app, and it will help you identify potential injuries that could be related to child abuse. Thank you.